Hey guys, after pretty long time, we are revisiting another BlackBerry device. So this one is BlackBerry 9780, released back in 2010. You can say a smartphone of 2010. And as you know, I really love BlackBerries. I do own a lot of them, and I don't really use them, but I just take them out, check them, and put them back in my shelf. Here I have BlackBerry 9780. I did not make any review video of this device because long time this device is having like display issue. Few days ago, I have repaired the display. By the way, the display here is actually 2.4-inch TFT display. The resolution is 480 by 360. Quite sharp display for this kind of size. The signature optical trackpad for navigation, which sounds really good and works like a charm. And I do really like this like navigation trackpad. It's pretty awesome. Although for gaming purpose, you can't use it properly, but for navigation, it's pretty damn good. So I have been using this device few days now. Obviously, as you can see here, my SIM card is on this phone. I'm taking phone calls and doing messages. So you can still take phone calls and make phone calls with this device, and also can do text messaging. So those things still available on this device. Besides that, you can do few more things with this device. Another thing is like music. So the device don't really have any internal storage. Like most of the BlackBerry devices got 8 GB of internal storage, but this one got only 256 MB of internal storage, only for actually application. But you can put a SD card here and listen to music. The music experience you will get from here is kind of pretty good. So I did listen to music. Usually I use them to listen music, like BlackBerry devices and older devices. And this one also I used for listening music, and it's pretty good. The loudspeaker is here. It is not really that loud or anything like that, but it is pretty clear and it still sounds pretty good. On the back also we are getting a 5 megapixel camera, which doesn't take that good photo, but for 2010 it was top notch. And nowadays we are talking about iPhones like camera buttons and everything. So we do get camera buttons with this device too. Press and hold. It will open the camera and you can take picture. Quite nice design. And also we are getting another button here. As you can see here, if you press and hold, it will open voice command, but you can customize it up to your liking, like this button. And also camera button, you can customize it. Quite good. And we are getting volume rockers too here. So those things are pretty good. And the keypad, which is the one of the best thing of BlackBerry, is still working pretty well and it feels pretty good. Now what you can do with this device? As I said, phone call and messaging, all those things you can do. And I did able to install Opera Mini here, and I did make videos about it, how you can install Opera Mini on this kind of devices. So you can still download few games for this device, like from this website actually, which I usually use, so dadomil.net. This website got few BlackBerry games, and not all of them working, but you can still download some of them. So as you can see, website does work, but most of the modern website this device cannot load. Even the Opera Mini, which I have installed, that one also cannot load most of the pages, but it's still kind of working. Few things which I really like about BlackBerry devices is that, this device released back in 2010, and few things which are really good about this device is that it got, as you can see here, automatic dim backlight. It got light sensor, proximity sensor. Kind of amazing for this kind of device to have. Today's mid-range device also not coming with proper light sensor and proximity sensor, but this one got those things. And in terms of customization, still there are a few things you can do, like you can change icon pack, you can change font, and few things you can still do with this device. It is still usable. Actually, I have been using this device and it's kind of fun to use. Obviously, you can't really do much, but you can still play a few games here, like built-in games, and I have already installed few of them. So they are also working. And for phone call and basic, and also for phone call messaging, and mostly as a MP3 player, this is a really good device. And the output of 3.5mm headphone jack is pretty amazing. for a device from 2010. So can you use this device in 2025? Of course, yes, as a dumb phone. And if you like stay away from your social media application and all those things, this is a pretty good device. The battery backup is pretty good, and listening and the audio experience is going to be pretty good. If the 3G network works in your country, then you can still use this device. So that's all about this tiny nostalgic device. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.